Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Tonight, I got two options for you. This can either be a date night meal or this can be a quick weeknight meal for you. But I'm making shrimp lo mein. You don't have to use shrimp. That's just what I have in the kitchen today. But this is one of these meals that you don't want to miss. So we're gonna get started with the dough. I like to use homemade noodles for mine. I have 1.5 cups of 0.00 flour. I have 9 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of salt. Now I'm gonna get out my stand mixer, put the dough hook in, and just let this knead till it all pulls apart from the bowl. So the beauty about making dough is get your little KitchenAid right here, turn it on, and you're good to go. So now we got our pasta rested. Just sprinkling a little flour on it right now so we can get it rolled out. Don't want it to stick to anything. Oh, wow. I just like to keep working it around. Roll that's not going to be perfect, but I just wanted to get it flat enough to where I can run it through the sheeter. So now that we got it slightly flattened, I'm just going to take out a knife and kind of section it into pieces to work with to run it through the sheeter. And then just one more slight dusting of flour so whenever it goes through, it doesn't get stuck. Get it rolled. So now we got these rolled to the thickness we want. Now we're just going to cut them down into spaghetti strands. All right, so now for this shrimp lo mein, we're just going to get this shrimp marinated. I'm going to take a teaspoon of sesame oil, teaspoon of olive oil, got a little bit of onion powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of red chili flakes to mine. You don't have to. My fiance, it's a new word I'm saying these days. My fiance likes a little spicy, so put a little bit of chili flake on there for her. A little bit of cracked black pepper. Then I'm gonna get on my glove and just get a little bit of massage into this. We just want to make sure all this shrimp is nice and coated. We're gonna let it sit in this for just a few minutes and then we're gonna sear them off. But just use your hands to get in here and toss it all together. So now I got my Dutch oven hot. I'm gonna do everything in one pan so it's also easy cleanup. So I'm gonna get the shrimp seared off first and remove it, put it in a separate bowl, and then we're gonna cook all the rest of this together in here. So now that we got all our shrimp cooked, now we're gonna start working on the veggie part of it. I got half of an onion. It's gonna go in. I got 4 cloves of garlic I'm putting down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start my carrots that I've julienned. I'm just gonna put these in early because these take a little bit more time to soften. And we're just gonna get a nice little cook on these for about 2 to 3 minutes before we start adding in the cabbage. Got half a head of cabbage going in. So it'll take about 2-3 minutes for this cabbage just to kind of soften a little bit. And then from there, we'll start to add in the rest of our liquid ingredients, I should say. So we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Do 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Do a tablespoon of hoisin. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon of onion powder. A little more chili flakes. Again, this is up to you. And then a pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna get a good mix on this. Let all these flavors marry together. Then once all this has been cooked together, we're gonna take that shrimp that we had earlier, and we're just gonna toss it back in. Mix this all together. After I added the shrimp in, I have 2 tablespoons of water with a tablespoon of cornstarch in here that we're just gonna pour in. We're gonna let, essentially it's a slurry. We're just gonna let this go in there for a second just to try to thicken up that sauce. Just need about 2 minutes on medium to high heat. Then we'll cut it down to low, and then we'll be done. Then all we'll have to do now is just wait for this pasta to get done, and we'll drop it in here as well, and you'll be ready to go. This is just boiling water. It's not smoked, so it's okay. But now we're just gonna drop this pasta in here, and it'll take about 2-3 minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. So now that our noodles are strained, got them right here, add these into our pot as well. Now I'll just get all this cabbage, shrimp, carrots, everything tossed, and your dinner is ready. So now that it's all tossed together, I got a handful of green onions that I'm just gonna drop in and stir in. Add a little bit of color, add a little bit of flavor. So now it's time for the taste test. To be honest, it looks and smells better than your favorite takeout spot. I will say that. And looks are exactly right. It's definitely better than your favorite takeout spot. There's just enough, a little bit of spice in there. My fiance is gonna want a little bit more, but for the average, it's the right amount. Veggies still have a little bit of crispness to it, the cabbage and the carrots. The lo mein's nice and soft. The sauce comes through great. This is a quick 30-minute meal that you're gonna love.